you go through. Beauty is pain. Welcome and welcome back to this channel. I've done reviews in the past about how to remove blackhead. I will pop a link here so that you can check it out after this video. So today I'm just going to hop on to this blackhead removal videos I've seen out there. I just thought, okay, let me give it a try and see if it actually does work. I've seen results with people, so hopefully it should work for me. So yeah, stay with me. Let's see how I get on with this. And if you're new, remember to subscribe to the channel and turn on the post notification. Follow me on Instagram at Elysia and other social media platforms with a link down in the description section. You know I always say this, guys, make sure you shop all your hair and eyelashes from my website at www.sharegorgeous.co.uk. Without further ado, let's get straight into today's video. I'll now delve into the benefits of having to do this, and the very first one, which is the obvious one, is that it helps to remove blackheads and whiteheads from your face, especially at your nose region. For most people, it is concentrated in that region and it will help to tackle that. And the next thing is it helps to remove dirt on your face, so tough dirt that maybe soap and water couldn't remove, it will do that. It also helps to remove dead skin from your face, and finally it helps to remove excess oils as well. So if your face was just too oily and yeah, you wanted to kind of tone it down a bit, then you want to do this to help remove the excess unwanted oil from your face. Let's start making this egg mask. So you obviously need a bowl, and as you can see, I've got two cutleries here. So one is a fork for mixing or stirring, and the other is a teaspoon I'm using, but feel free to use a tablespoon. Next, you need an egg. If it's a really small egg, you will need two of those, but if it's a medium size or bigger egg, just one should be fine. So we'll just go straight into cracking the egg. I had a bit of a problem cracking it open, but finally I got there. Yep, so that is me now. And then next we are going to separate the egg yolk from the actual egg white. So I'm grabbing another bowl, and this is where I'll use the teaspoon to scoop the yolk out. Now, if you're doing this, you want to be careful because if the yolk spreads over, then it will be difficult to get it out or separate it from the egg white. But yeah, I was able to do it pretty simple and straightforward. And that's me mixing the egg white for a more smoother consistency. Now I'm also going to show you the brush we'll be using. I've had this brush for about 2 years. I can't recall where I bought it from, and I'm not even sure of the brand, sorry guys. But yeah, it just says PS and it looks stained. It's not because it's dirty. I've really washed it. It's just that it's an old brush, yeah. So these are the tissues I'm using. They are literally toilet roll tissues, but feel free to use any tissue you want. I'll now discuss the benefits of the only key ingredient, which is egg. And firstly, it helps to improve the skin texture for either dry or oily skin. And next, it helps to tighten pores for anti-aging and also to remove excessive oil or excess oil rather. And next, it helps to treat dark spots and reduce the appearance of fine lines. Let's go ahead and apply this. So firstly, you want to steam up your face to open up the pores. It's two methods. You can use hot water in a bowl and then the steam that comes out to open up your pores. I do this for about 20 to 30 seconds. Or the second method is to wet a face towel in warm water. You squeeze it, put it on your face for the same duration. And yet, once you are happy with the results, you move on to applying the egg mask. It's very cold. Indeed, it was cold. But yeah, I still had to go ahead and do this to see if it really does work. So that's me applying it all over my face. And next, I have grabbed the tissues. Now you want to apply it in sections. So this is how I worked my way around it. What I noticed was when you are doing the ends, especially towards your ear section, it kind of tears off. So you want to watch out for that. So yeah, that's me done with one half of the face. Moving on to the other half, I repeat the same process. And yeah, you apply the egg over the tissue. So now I'm moving to my nose area and you want to tear, or rather my chin, sorry. You want to tear the tissue to the size of the chin, and then now I'm doing my nose or the bridge of my nose area, and the same thing, you take a size that is suitable. Now I made this mistake, so guys, don't do it. Make sure you don't apply over your brows or your hairline, because when I was removing it, some of my brows came off. It's just about 2 or 3, but yeah, it's still significant, so you want to watch out for that. Don't apply over your brows or your hairline. Right, so that was me saying I'm getting it dried. Now, when it comes to it drying, it depends on you. But if you see it's all dry, then you just go ahead and remove it. And you can see from the video that I was taking my time to remove it, as it was a bit painful, but not like so unbearable. And yeah, you just remove it section by section so you don't hurt yourself. And yeah, that's me finally at my forehead area. Once I was done, there was white residue which I will show you on camera, and also the whiteheads came off. It's really effective, but it was so difficult to show you guys on camera, unfortunately. The arrow there is indicating the hairs that came off my brows, and that's me trying to show you the whiteheads. Let me now tell you some disadvantages I encountered when doing this, and most likely you might face that too. And firstly, it is the fact that when you're taking it off, you might find it difficult to take off in some areas of your face, whereas other areas it will be really easy for you. So you need to watch out for that. And obviously, if it's difficult to come off, then it's going to be painful for you. And the next thing is that because you are using an egg on your face, if you don't wash off your face properly, then your face will smell. It's going to be an off-putting smell, and you don't want that. So you want to make sure you wash your face with soap and water, and possibly go over with a toner as well to leave it clean and fresh. The final disadvantage I encountered you obviously want to watch out for is that it left a white cast on my face after I took the tissue off, which is normal because obviously the egg has dried and settled on the face. So in order to get this off, you want to give your face a proper wash. When you do that, then it's going to take all the white residue off your face. Hey there, I'm sorry to interrupt. Just a quick reminder to subscribe to this channel and turn on the post notification button for future uploads. We have come to the end of today's DIY egg removal. I hope the video was helpful to you. If you've done this already, let me know your comments or questions or any suggestions you have for me. And yes, give it a try if you've not done it before, and let me know how you get on with this. Do take care, guys, and let's meet in my next video. Bye.